right, let's take a look at this beautiful model. 1940 Buick Special 46C convertible coupe, this would have been considered when it was sitting on the showroom at a Buick dealership in 1940. Now this would still have the inline 8-cylinder like they would have came with when it was new. It's a 248 cubic inch engine. It's a Dynaflash inline 8-cylinder. And then that is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with a shifter on the column. These were considered a 5-passenger convertible, although I'm not so sure you couldn't slip 6 in here. You got kind of the bench seat up front, bench in the back. Very cool car. This is, I would say, very near, if not a concourse type vehicle. Paint on it is a Sequoia cream Ditzler paint. As you can see, the bright work in the chrome, also a nice shape. A little bit of pinstriping around the Buick 8 up front, which would have stood for the 8-cylinder inline engine that's underneath the hood. As you can see, the dual side mounts. I believe 1940 was the last year of the dual side mounts or side mounts. Paint in very nice shape. You can see that there's a good luster to it. You have the painted wheels with wheel covers to match, riding on the wide whites. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can take a look at the underside, engine bay, interior trunk, check this vehicle over, take your time looking through the pictures. It is a nice vehicle. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you could call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see up and down this car how straight it is. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Convertible top on it would be a black cloth, also in very nice shape. And you can see that in the still pictures. I have pictures of it with it up and down. It is a manual top. Would not have had a power top on this one. Still stock looking dash. I started up earlier. It appears that the gauges all work, from the oil pressure to the volts to gas gauge. See the long swooping fender skirts in the back here. Kind of an Art Deco designed vehicle from 1940. There's a little over 3,700 of these built, so it's not something that you're going to see at car shows on a regular basis or going down the road or to any of your local cruise-ins. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. So ask your sales consultant when you call in or email about that. Again, some of that Art Deco styling. Look at the Buick 8 emblem and lights on the rear of this car. Again, chrome is in nice shape. I love this little exhaust deflector. Check out with the little Buick logo on there. How cool is that? Very, very nice car. But yeah, check out the still pictures, because that's the stuff you can take and look at and take your time looking through. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the side of this vehicle on the driver's side. Again, bright work in nice shape. I did notice there's one little kind of paint spot right down there, if you can see it. There you go. Other than that, not many flaws I noticed about this vehicle. And it'd be a nice one to drive. Very smooth running car. We'll start right up. I'm going to go ahead. I want to show you something here. First of all, door panels, black to match the seats. We do have seat belts. Again, the bench seat. This does feel like it is a leather. Your rear bench seat. Now, underneath here, I'm going to turn the key on, and it's probably easiest to lean over and show you, so I can try to get everything showing here. So when you turn the key actually goes opposite direction of what we're used to now. That turns the key. Now you can hear the fuel pump run. There's a fuel pump switch right here. Up is off, down is on. Push button start is right here. And if you take a look at the gauges, you can see the battery came up. Temperature gauge, I believe, comes up when it'll warm up. But I did notice that the fuel gauge and oil pressure gauges also came up there. Other than that, very stock looking dash. You can barely hear this thing run. I don't know if you can hear it on the video or not. We're going to slip around to the back. We're going to open up the hood and we're going to check it all out so you can see it. There you can hear it. How smooth that is. Very quiet running inline 8. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. We're going to pop this hood both sides so you can take a look at the engine bay. It is as nice as the rest of this car. So hold on, let me get this opened up. Alright, got the hood popped, and as you can see, it folds from passenger side and driver's side. Look at how smooth this thing runs, how quiet it is. Be a fun one to take out. Take down the open road, top down. Come around to this side, you get a little better look at it here. Done up very nice. Like I said, this is, if it is not a concourse car, it's pretty darn close. Extremely clean, well taken care of, nicely done car. So there you go, 1940 Buick Special, considered a convertible coupe, 46C series. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you.